Hello everyone, I'm just so excited to share with you this yummy green soup recipe of mine that flushes and cleans up my stomach real good. If you're looking to stay healthy and nourish your system plus clean your stomach, stick around and I'll share with you this very yummy recipe that will help clean you up, flush you out. That way your belly fat will melt away and you get back in shape. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I use is spinach. I use a lot of spinach, like a bowl of spinach, and what I do is I wash thoroughly and kind of like jungle chop my spinach. You don't want to slice up tiny because it can melt away in the pot. You want to jungle slice like in large chunks. That way, like you see me doing, this is what you want to do, so it gets into your pot without being so bulky, plus really do not disappear in your pot. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Plus this is so nutrient dense. Spinach helps to clean you up real good, leave in nutrients in your system. It is loaded, like greens are loaded with the good chlorophyll to cleanse your stomach, most importantly, and leave in a lot of nutrients. So this is my washed spinach ready to be cooked. So I'll set that aside and I'll be using mostly greens for this soup of today. And the second ingredient I'll be using will be leeks. You want to thoroughly wash your leeks before you slice into some good sizes. I'll be using one leeks. This is equally a very good green leafy vegetable that cleanses you up. Like if you want to cleanse your system, fall in love with greens. They contain chlorophyll, which cleans you up, boosts your immune system, boosts your energy levels, cleans you up. Like this is so nutrient dense. Greens are very good if you're looking to stay healthy with a good immune system plus cleanse your skin. Like I can't reiterate enough. So this is my green leeks, one green leeks that I washed thoroughly and sliced, and voila, this is the second ingredient. You can't go wrong without some onions. They bring in flavor in your food. Plus onions are very good for cleansing as well. So I learned this from a Chinese friend of mine. He slices onion and keeps in his house, and it soaks poison out of your house. So this is how it cleanses your stomach when you add it in your recipes. This is so medicinal. So these are my first two ingredients. I'll be adding one green pepper. Everything green here. Green peppers are very good as they are loaded with a lot of antioxidants to fight free radical damage in your system, causing dull skin, aged skin, not beautiful, fresh looking skin. Like this nourishes you up, plus it brings in a lot of flavor into this soup. So I'll be adding one green pepper. It helps you burn fat as well, boost your metabolism, and like this is so good for cleansing. So this is my one green pepper. So the next thing I'll be adding, this is parsley. You can add celery, you can add yeah, yeah, this is parsley, basil. These are fresh basil leaves. You can add parsley or celery, whichever you can lay your hands on. But for today, I'll just need this basil flavor in my soup. You can replace with parsley as I mentioned earlier. So just like a little, half a handful, and I'll be adding in ginger and garlic. These are very cleansing as well. If you watch my weight loss recipes, my drinks, my smoothies, my juices, I always add them in my teas, ginger most especially. I can't, like I cook and eat it, I drink it, I like, this is so good for cleansing. So I'll be adding like a teaspoon of crushed ginger and a teaspoon of crushed garlic. So ginger and garlic, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon each. So sorry, my camera went up. This is my off. I added 2 tablespoons of olive or coconut oil with my onion in the pot and a pinch of salt. And I'm adding in my ginger and garlic, the crushed ginger and garlic you saw me grating. So this is my half an onion in there, a pinch of salt, ginger and garlic. You want to kind of fry a little bit on low heat. So everything is done on low heat. And that is chicken bouillon spice, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon spice. Depending on you, whatever spice you like the best. I like chicken bouillon spice. and I'll be adding in red pepper. So that is red crushed dried red pepper. I like my soup a little bit kind of tasty, Then I'll be adding in my leeks. After you add your pepper, you just want all these ingredients infused to bring in some taste. This is the secret. You don't just put everything in the pot at once. That is my basil, like just to get the ingredients infused, come together to give that one beautiful flavor. You know what I'm trying to say. And you add in your green pepper, like just gradually add. The last thing I'll be adding will be my spinach. This we are not cooking for long. All these ingredients can be eaten raw. Like you just want to just steam them, not really cook for long. This is on low heat. You just, like you see, just bring the ingredients together to boil for like 10 minutes. That is just fine. You don't need to cook for so long. And remember, spinach is almost water based. Spinach is like 86% water, so we are not adding water in the soup of today. The water will come out from spinach, most especially, plus the other ingredients. As you can see, it is already kind of watery. If you add water in here, it will just be tasteless and not nice. You want it really nice in the mouth, just leave it this way. Spinach will give us water. Like you see, this is the end result in your plate. You see a lot of water out of it without us adding water. That is because spinach is like 86% water based. You don't want to add any more water, and this tastes heavenly. Plus, this is so healthy. You want to add into your life. Like, these are the recipes you want to go for. If you want to have your system always clean, most especially your stomach, you want your system clean from the inside. Burn fats, most especially belly fat. If you're fighting belly fat, go for this recipe. It will cleanse you, flush out waste, toxins, polluted stuff, accumulated food store up. It will cleanse you up. That way you poo-poo everything and you feel lighter with a lighter stomach without belly fat. Plus, you want to incorporate water into your life with these recipes. You want to add water in here. Water too will help to flush you out, because when you are constipated and bloated, that is because you don't drink enough water. You maybe substitute water with teas, beverages, like most especially the kind of coffees we drink here with creams. That doesn't do good to your system. You need to drink water. Never replace water with anything. Water helps with digestion. It helps to get rid of bloating. Like, this is the first thing you want to consume to help you with digestion, to prevent bloating, and equally cleanse you out. Water cleanses you out real good. It flushes you. That way you easily flush out toxins and end up with a beautiful skin tone, with a flat belly without belly fat, with a beautiful and healthy body size. Not necessarily being skinny, which is not my goal. If you want to be skinny, you want to double take the recipes I share. But my goal is my belly, and so far I love my belly. I dress up without belly fat, without the chunky belly I used to have before. Now my belly is down because of my recipes and the kind of life I've chosen. I choose to cook my own foods at home. I choose not to eat processed and fast foods over the counter. All the oily, sodium, and accumulated fatty foods that are so, like, I cook my own food myself, and I've been sharing the recipes here with you. My recipes, my healthy juices, smoothies, soups, different kind of recipes, the kinds of bread I eat with oats. Like, I share my daily recipes with you here on this channel. Join me with this kind of lifestyle. Trust me, you will hardly complain of belly fat or unnecessary weight leading to obesity, which leads to other health complications. Like, the goal is to be healthy, not just to maintain that healthy belly size or body size to be confident with, but that is for good health. So be proactive than reactive. Don't wait until doctors tell you don't eat this, don't eat that. Start eating right now. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you can watch them on time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonne journée.